Hello, this is Kinosys. I have a lot of different kinds, so I keep the tools in the drawer. There are tools that I always use no matter what I do. Regardless of the type, I made a transparent drawer to store my frequently used tools. Because it's visible, it's easy to find, and it's very easy to store. Let's take a look at the production process. This chest of drawers will have an unusual 15T transparent acrylic finish on the top. I'm trying to make the inside look visible. To attach acrylic and wood, drill a hole in acrylic and once again with bolt head-shaped bits. If you have these bits prepared by size, there are many places to use. The hole in the center, which cannot be punched with a drill press, was punched directly by hand. It's a center drill bit. On the bottom board with a hole in it, I can find the center point exactly. In the place where the center drill bit is drilled, perforate a hole in a size of 5.5 millimeters. This is a 6 millimeter diameter bolt. Acrylic is drilled with a 6 millimeter diameter hole to make it easy for bolts to enter. And the wood needs to be threaded so that bolts can be fastened, so it is drilled with a 5.5 millimeter diameter. If you screw in the wood without using a separate tap bit, it creates a thread and is strongly fastened. At the end, to adjust the torque, tighten the driver. I painted the drawer black. It's much easier to work with the air gun. I think the paint is evenly painted. Install rails in painted drawers. Place 2 iron rulers in the drawer to display 2 millimeters. A lot of people are asking about the jig I use for drawers. I use a 10mm thick jig, as much as the gap between the drawer rail in the drawer and the rail in the chest. If you make it, you can use it well. With this jig, you can float the rails of the drawer as much as you want from the floor. This time it was 2mm, right? Now remove the acrylic protective film and attach it to the drawer. Fasten the bolt, and the torque has been adjusted appropriately, so it is fastened well without using a driver. The handle is painted yellow. These days we can paint with magic. If you edit it hard, you can do it. Install the front. The position of the handle also works comfortably using a 35mm jig. The internal bit position also used an 18mm jig. Use the bit to secure everything strongly from the front to the handle. I used an air trimmer to trim the edges of the acrylic. It is a product with very good performance for the price. Metals are also available, so please buy them too. Lay a white rubber mat on the drawer to prevent the tool from slipping. The mat is fixed with a hot melt. it's finished. I organized the top of the wide drawer, and I put a transparent drawer on top of it. First of all, I've organized the tools I use frequently. In the future, I plan to store tools that I often use regardless of type. I think the work efficiency will be very good. Thank you.